See? You're okay. Girl. That's a very good girl.
Hi.
Yeah, that's a very good girl.
Over the past few days, Street Lewis has been buried under heavy snow, ice, and dangerously cold temperatures. And in the middle of that freezing storm, a small family was fighting to survive. Neighbors told us they had been feeding a pregnant dog for some time, but about a week ago, she suddenly disappeared. We feared she had gone into labor somewhere nearby, possibly inside one of the abandoned houses. So we started searching. The very first house we checked, we found her. She was tucked inside a dark, freezing room. Her body was shaking, her eyes filled with fear, but she stood her ground, protecting her babies. We spoke softly, trying not to scare her. She was sweet, but unsure of our intentions. All she knew was that her puppies came first. Then we saw them. Tiny puppies, only about a week old, lying on the cold floor. We told her, "We're here to help. We want to take you and your babies somewhere warm, somewhere safe." She hesitated. Every instinct told her to protect them, but then slowly she chose to trust us. Step by step, she walked ahead. We followed behind, carefully carrying her puppies. She kept turning back just to make sure they were still there. "It's okay, Mama. We've got your babies. You're safe now."
We got you, baby. Pick you up. Ready.
Moments later, the entire family was out of the cold, wrapped in warm blankets, no longer fighting the freezing air. We named the mama Jackie Frost, and she truly is an angel. She did everything she could to protect her little ones. And today, because of that trust, 7 lives were saved. This isn't just a rescue story. It's a reminder of a mother's love, the power of kindness, and how one moment of compassion can change everything.